evening, everybody. Oh, I hope I'm not covering the speaker. I need to really figure out where the speaker is. But anyway, good evening. Happy Thursday. Jumping on here for an impromptu midweek vlog, as today is my Friday, as I am off to Paris tomorrow. So I thought I'd start the vlog here. I've just got back from work. Well, not from work. I went to meet someone after work, and then here I am. So tonight I need to figure out what outfits I'm taking. I'm only staying one night, so it'll be quite a short trip. But I need to figure out what I'm taking, what to pack. I need to make sure I don't forget my passport because we're getting the train. So it's a bit of a, you know, when you're like flying, you always like remember your passport. But I guess this will be my first time that I can remember getting on the Eurostar. Yeah, quick outfit of the day. For work today I wore this jumper, which I actually can't remember where it's from, and underneath that I just had like this black top on, which is from H&M, some Zara denim, boots are from H&M, and my aviator jacket from Zara, which I pretty much live in. So yeah, I'm just gonna, I don't have an early start tomorrow, but yeah, I'm getting an early night because I'm knackered. So I'm just going to have a cup of tea, snuggle down, watch a couple YouTube videos, and then hit the hay. Tomorrow I've got quite a busy day, so I am seeing 2 flats because I'm potentially thinking about moving in the new year to somewhere that I can get parking and that is a little bit cheaper than this place. Now I can drive. So seeing 2 flats tomorrow. I'm also getting my brows microbladed. I also need to do my nails. This is not acceptable. And then I need to get my ass to St Pancras to jump on the train. I'm meeting my cousins there at 6, so we're not like going out until 7 PM. So yeah, that's the weekend, that's what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me, so enjoy my little trip to Paris. I'll show you the outfit here in the mirror just so you can see it full length. I'm thinking of wearing something similar to this tomorrow, but we'll see. I will let you know. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday and happy Paris day. I'm gonna do a really quick outfit of the day. I've got my Stuart Weitzman boots on, black jeans from Zara, ASOS belt, H&M turtleneck, and Zara like sleeveless trench. This is what the outfit looks like, and I'm just waiting for my Uber, who is about 4 minutes away. I've got 2 flat viewings, so I'm gonna get an Uber to my car. It's at my mum's house, and then gonna head to get my eyebrows done in Baker Street, and then finally head to St Pancras. So it's a busy day. I don't even know how I've managed to pick up the camera to vlog. Also, I've got my little dupe for the trip, which I thought would be very appropriate. So yeah, I will see you guys along the way. I'll just take you along. Okay, so now I need to find the address for the place that I'm going and get to this viewing. It's running all kinds of late and my hair is not behaving. Just gonna have to do that again when I get to St Pancras. Really good size. So you've got the bedroom and all good in storage. Okay, so a good amount of storage. Yeah, a lot of shoes.
I think they can all go in there, look.
Yeah, lovely.
Cool. That's just storage.
Okay, oh, storage.
Yeah.
Okay, so place is bloody amazing. So I'll show you the inside only because I think I'm gonna take it. So I'm just gonna get lunch now and try and make my hair behave, and then head to central London to get my brows redone. I do want to get my nails done as well. Let's see if I can squeeze that. Hey guys, so a little bit out of breath, but I've stopped off at my mum's house, which is where I've parked my car and where I'm going to be getting the train from. But I have had an epic day. So you last saw me and I was just coming from the flat viewing. So I got back here and I was basically planning to go get my eyebrows done and like leave like southeast London for the day, and go straight to St Pancras for my eyebrow appointment. So I was thinking about it, and price wise, if I just paid like an extra £30 because I was just getting a top up, I could just get the full appointment. And I was trying to squeeze too much into the day, so I was just like, all right, cancel that. So I cancelled the appointment. Then I remembered that I had to get my travel money. Oh sorry, you'll find out why I'm also now wearing this coat in a second. But I also went to go and I was thinking about, let me get my travel money. And I was in a group chat with my cousins who I'm going with, and they were like, if you're with Barclays, you can apparently withdraw money from cash machines in Paris and they don't charge you. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll do that. But then I was like, you know what, no, let me go and get let me actually exchange some physical money, like euros, and then I can also pick up my pajamas, which I'd realised I'd left behind. What I then realised was, as I was leaving, or as I was walking into the post office, I was checking my bag for my passport, because I was like, sometimes I wasn't sure if like they ask you for your passport to change money, and I saw that I had bought the wrong passport with me. So I bought my expired passport with the edge cut off instead of my actual new passport that I just got renewed. So basically, had I not gone to change my money at the post office, I wouldn't have been able to pop home, get my pajamas and get my actual passport. So it's been a crazy day. But anyway, I'm back here. I've just spruced up my hair a little bit, just put some curls in the bottom. I'm just about to have a cup of tea. I got this coat as well because it's like 5 degrees in Paris at the moment. So current outfit is lots of layers. So I've got this jumper, this and this, and my boots. So finally have everything I need. I even had time to glue my wig down. You can kind of still see a bit of the glue. But does anyone else have this issue? Like, I always glue down the middle bit and then the side never like stays down. I think I need to like pull it forward a bit more. But anyway, I am ready finally to go to Paris. I'm gonna leave here in about 2 hours. Oh, I also forgot to say that I just put an offer in for the house the flat that I just saw. So fingers crossed it happens. But I'm kind of in the mindset that if it doesn't, then it's not meant to be. But it was stunning. I think the only thing that just makes it difficult is because I'm self-employed and I'm only recently self-employed, which basically, and sometimes they basically ask for like 6 months worth of statements, and I've got like December, October, November, I've got like 3 months. So hopefully that's all good. We'll see. But yeah, exciting times. So I totally just ran for the train, but just made it. Got all my bits with me, got my case. So I'm going to get there a little bit early, but the others are running quite early as well. I put on some press-on nails. They look shocking, but don't judge. This lighting is also very bad, but I'm excited.
Welcome to the Stone Town.
So we've made it to St Pancras. Got the crew here. John, give him a little wave. and we're just waiting to get on our train. Picked up some goodies for the trip. Some might be alcoholic, potentially. We won't tell if you don't.
Purchase your tracks today. Welcome to the Stone Town. Han made this.
De bien vouloir vous présenter. Ladies and gentlemen, like on Twitter, c'est Forgotten Coach 8. Thank you.
Just jump on another train and go somewhere random. We're in Paris! Just made it. We're headed to wherever we're going, the hotel. GALERIES, the Gare of the East. So we're on our way out. We're basically all wearing the same outfit. Same outfit, same coat. Come on, baby.
Oh, black everything.
Open up when you taste me. I ain't tryna be best. Shadow in the games. Don't play for the lanes. Smart girl got brains. Unless you bought no James. Mommy, don't know how that shit crack. Gotta know that shit fake. Making another W tonight.
Day 2 in Paris with my woes.
Feeling a bit fragile.
We were definitely feeling a bit fragile. We had a great night last night.
Absolutely, yeah.
You won't see any of that footage on here. But I can assure you, we made the most of yesterday. We're off to get some breakfast now.
Well, breakfast.
I mean, exactly. Alright, let's go in. L'atmosphère.
Yeah, atmosphere.
Oui, oui. Merci. Merci.
Where are we going? The Louvre.
Yeah.
How do you even spell that?
LOUVRE. Okay, so we're in Paris and we wanted to go on a bus tour. This is just a small protest in the centre of town. By small, I mean everybody is literally throwing tear gas, fighting, the police are involved. It's a bit mad, so I don't know, we're just gonna figure it out. Tune! Oh shit. Get it, John? Oh, it's such a shame. Look at the street. It all looks so pretty. Kiwi and strawberry iced bubble tea from this place, Momenti. Oh, and we're walking to the Louvre if we can find it.
Which one's
But even them, they're still back.
Yeah, I just think do better. I like that coat though. I thought we'd escaped the rats. You have to do it in French, John.
Come on. We're in France.
Go on.
Bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour.
Bona. Stopped off in Galeries Lafayette. Right there. Had to change your shoes because don't really want to be walking around in 4-inch heels. We made it back on the Eurostar. Summary of the trip for you.
Well,
give it to me in a word.
what, 24 hours?
Yeah.
Magnificent.
Magnifique.
Magnifique.
Joey, got a one-word summary for us? Amazing indeed. Over and out. Until Amsterdam.